know what? We're having an all-school pep rally assembly, and we have some representatives from the Cavs office, and they are leading us in a skills clinic, all school. I heard about it because I received an email, and because we participated in some of their programs in the past. So I got an email and I applied for it, and here we are today. The kids are really excited to be involved in some competitive things. They're getting out some energy, they're cheering each other on, and as you saw, their teams, and they also got to compete with the teachers some teachers at the end. So it's a lot of fun, and they do get to release some energy and have fun. I did want to make sure that all the grade levels in the elementary could participate, and the Cavs office said, fine, that's great. So they had something for everyone.